At XYZ Textbooks, we have a number of co-requisite books that will put your students on a pathway to success for their next math class. Here's our co-requisite for elementary algebra that will get students ready to take elementary algebra. Co-requisite for intermediate algebra gets students ready to take that class. Co-requisite for college algebra and pre-calculus gets them ready for that. And then finally, co-requisite for statistics to get students ready to take statistics. Now together, these four co-requisite books cover all of what we traditionally call developmental mathematics at the college level. Now I want to take you inside the co-requisite for statistics and show you some of the features of this book. To get to the co-requisite for statistics, I go to the XYZ Textbooks website and I click over here. I'll click on the co-requisite for statistics and then I'll go over here and click View eBook. So here's lesson 1 in the co-requisite for statistics book, and you can see it starts with vocabulary for statistics, and in this case a definition for population and a definition for sample. So we give these definitions for some of the common terms they're going to see in statistics. We're not going to do a lot with them. We just kind of give them to the students so that they've seen them here before they get into statistics. Okay, as I scroll down the page now, I come to example number 1. I click on the icon for the video. Okay, we want to translate some sentences written, and you can see that this screen comes up, and down below we have the picture of 4 different people. Students choose the person they want to see work the problem.
In this example, we're going to write the following sentences using...
En este ejemplo vamos a escribir cada uno en forma de símbolo.
And the last person works it in Spanish. If I look at the other icon in the margin, I get a problem from our homework system that students can practice an electronic version of the example. Now, because these problems are algorithmically generated, students can try as many of these problems as they like and practice before they get to the actual homework. But I think the most exciting part of this is when we get towards the end of the section where we see some actual problems that students are going to see when they get to statistics. Evaluate x minus x bar over s if x is 186, x bar is 135.8, and s is 35.2. So this is a problem like students are going to see in statistics. Now, where did we get these problems? Well, I went through some of the most popular statistics books. I looked in the examples, and I looked for places in the examples that had some mathematics from either arithmetic or algebra that students would need to know in order to understand that example. I wrote all of those down, and then I put most of them into this book as examples in the reading and then also problems in the problem set. So if you're looking for a co-requisite book, be sure to come to XYZ Textbooks and check out what we have. I think you'll be very surprised with what you see and find something that's going to be very useful to you in the classroom.